Hi everyone, welcome back to Binks Crossing. Today we're going to be designing a spooky outdoor library in Animal Crossing New Horizons for my island Amethyst, which is supposed to be a witch court island, but it's kind of looking like trash right now. So I'm just starting off with the wooden path for the flooring, and I wanted this built to be 2 floors, so I've got the log staircase there as well. So now I'm just adding some hedges around the area, and here's one of the hotel guests saying hello. I know a lot of people haven't been a big fan of having the hotel guests around the island, but I actually really like it because it's like having more villagers. They're now just decorating the downstairs area of the library, and I've gone with some dark brown wooden bookcases. Then I added this skeleton because I wanted him to be like a librarian. I think I should name him, but I don't know what to call him yet. Plain KK dirge, even though it kind of freaks me out, but it fits the vibes really well. And now just starting on the upstairs area of the library. I can see Stitches walking around down there with his coffee, looking super cute. I've been obsessed with the new cat plushies, so I just had to add the black cat. I was thinking of building like a cat cafe or something, but I also want to add the dog plushies as well, so I might make a pet cafe instead. I also went with the black and white spooky towers, but I wasn't sure if it'd look better as orange instead, so I might change that eventually. So in a second I will show you the completed build. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I think it's my favourite area on my island so far. Although to be fair, that's not really hard because the rest of my island looks truly awful right now. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more spooky themed Animal Crossing builds. Bye!